In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an invoice in Hubstaff. Exporting invoices from Hubstaff is a straightforward process that can be handled efficiently with just a few clicks. Whether you're a freelancer or a manager handling multiple clients, knowing how to export invoices can streamline your financial workflows, making it easier to keep track of billing details and payments. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Hubstaff account. After logging in, you need to navigate to the Financials section. You can usually find this option on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Look for the icon or label that represents Financials and click on it. This will direct you to the area where all of your financial transactions are managed, including client invoices. Now that you're in the Financials section, your next step is to locate the specific invoice you wish to export. If you have numerous invoices, they might be organized in lists or categories, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you've found the desired invoice, there's a simple but crucial action you'll need to take next. Direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Export. Click on this button. The system will prompt you with a variety of formats in which you can export your invoice, such as PDF or Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs and preferences. It's important to remember that exporting in different formats can serve various purposes. For example, exporting as a PDF is often best for official documentation or sharing with clients, as it retains its format across different devices. An Excel file, on the other hand, is ideal if you need to integrate the data into a larger financial report or analysis. Consider what you plan to do with your exported invoice and select accordingly. After selecting the desired format, the file will automatically download to your local device. You can typically find this downloaded file in your computer's default download folder, though you can also choose a specific location to save it if that suits you better. Once the file is saved, it's always a good practice to open it and verify the details. Make sure everything is accurate and that no information is missing or incorrectly formatted. These checks ensure that you maintain complete records and that your clients receive the correct details. If you need to, you can repeat this process for as many invoices as needed, making it a quick and efficient way to handle multiple transactions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on exporting invoices from Hubstaff. With regular use, this process will become second nature, helping you keep organized and professional in your financial dealings.